Have you ever wondered who has walked through the streets of your city before your time? With Step by Step, you can discover historical Black and Indigenous communities hidden in plain sight. You may have passed these spaces many times without knowing their significance. However, via augmented reality, recreations laid over familiar contemporary city landscapes, you can reveal untold stories by the people who lived them, see where they happened, and even own a piece of history in the form of an NFT. Step by Step connects the past with the present, honoring marginalized communities throughout time, and bringing a new form of engagement with the urban environment into the future. The intended experience of the app is to give a sense of fusion across time, place, past, and present, the familiar and the strange, and a journey from ignorance into knowledge. Welcome to Step by Step.